I was inspired by this LinkedIn post I created to take this a bit too far, but I do a Friday phrase, ferret out, and this is a meaning to persistently search for and uncover hidden information or secrets. The history of this phrase, this idiom, goes back over 2,500 years. The Romans introduced it, and they brought the practice to Britain, using a ferret to then chase out rabbits from their burrows. And I then go into the insights and things like this, but this image, particularly hilarious, inspired me, and then somebody actually challenged me in here to say, hey, what if this was like, a ferret gladiator? And then this happened.
In a world where brave data analysts were few, one ferret stood in defiance to find insights, to find diamonds in the data, to ferret out the findings.
Using an image creator that we have inside of our tool at CauseWriter, I needed a ferret dressed as an ancient Roman soldier because it's something I needed. It gives me 7 iterations of that. I liked this one, the high-resolution photographed one, the artistic DSLR. I take that and I drop that into my DALL-E 3, and I end up with this very majestic ferret. Of course, can't stop there. We need to make this into a video. And actually, that's pretty simple, because then I go to Runway.ml, I use their Gen 3 Alpha Turbo model, and I generate a 10-second clip based on this prompt and uploading the image so that I can work off of that image rather than create something that I don't want. I could actually continue to create more scenes with this ferret using these various snapshots, but the obsession stopped there. Or did it? Because obviously, if you have something this incredible, you need that theatrical British narrator to help you with that, and I crafted this. I wrote this myself. I'm very proud. I didn't let the AI take all of my jobs. And I used the generated Valentino in British voice because everything sounds better in British voice. Mashed it all together inside of this script, which I love, and there you have it.